It may be hard to accept, but nothing lasts forever, even overwhelmingly destined celestial bodies like stars. That's why astrophysicists keep a close eye on the universe around us, as stones mean any changes in the vast, ever-expanding cosmos. In recent years, a red supergiant has gotten their attention, and now its every move amazes them. Using historical evidence and modern state-of-the-art telescopes such as the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists have been able to discover some mind-boggling things about this incredibly bright star. If you're interested in keeping up to date with news from the universe and its surroundings, subscribe to our channel. Be sure to like this video and turn on the notification bell. The most puzzling of these findings suggests that something might be going on with the spectral type M12 red supergiant that has been named Betelgeuse, and it's one of the largest stars in the universe in the night sky. Betelgeuse is usually in the 10th brightest star in the constellation of Orion. It is considered the second brightest, number 1 being Rigel. It is a semi-regular reddish variable star with an apparent magnitude ranging from 0 to +1/6. This is the widest range shown by any first magnitude star. At near-infrared wavelengths, if Betelgeuse were at the center of our solar system, its surface would lie beyond the asteroid belt and engulf the orbits of Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. According to calculations, Betelgeuse's mass ranges from 10 to just over 20 times that of the Sun. Measuring its distance has been challenging for astronomers, but their current estimates suggest that it's between 500 and 600 light-years away from the Sun. The supergiant is less than 10 million years old and has evolved rapidly due to its large mass. A team of astronomers discovered that the star Betelgeuse changed its color from yellow-orange to red about 2,000 years ago. The star is in the red giant star phase, which is common for stellar bodies when they finish burning hydrogen in their cores. This change causes the collapse of the core and reddening of the outer layers of the star. According to experts, our Sun will pass through the same stage of this evolution in about 5 billion years and will swell to a radius close to the orbits of Mars, consuming the inner rocky planets of the solar system, including Earth. Astronomers know that stars change color during their lifetimes. A Chinese court astronomer named Sima Qian wrote about the colors of the stars in 100 BC, and in his notes he describes the colors of the stars. White is like Sirius, red is like Antares, yellow is like Aldebaran, and blue is like Bellatrix. To this should be added that color changes are also accompanied by variations in brightness and size. These changes can provide significant information about the age and mass of the star. The study of historical documents has helped researchers determine that Betelgeuse passed through this stage about 2,000 years ago. It suggests that it was in an advanced stage of its evolution, and it is likely that its life has already ended with a large explosion. Despite being one of the brightest stars in the firmament, Betelgeuse has experienced dimming cycles every 425 days in which it temporarily loses acquired orange maximum brightness. However, in February 2020, astronomers noticed that Betelgeuse's brightness unexpectedly decreased by 2/3 and had to be perceived with the naked eye. This unexplained dimming was alarming because it suggested that the star might be about to explode. Experts believe that the supernova explosion will be a mind-blowing spectacle for Earth's inhabitants due to Betelgeuse's proximity to our planet. However, astronomers are actually studying Betelgeuse to better understand its behavior and to determine whether it's actually exploded. Some have suggested that the dimming could be the result of a massive eruption of the star's surface or even a change in its rotation. What is even more mysterious is that the 400-day pulsation of the red star has disappeared. At the moment, experts believe it is temporary, but only time will tell. Scientists are excited to know what Betelgeuse's supernova will look like from Earth. They believe that the Earth will not be damaged, but when Betelgeuse's supernova explodes, it will shine as brightly in our sky as the size of the moon for 9 months. All the brightness will be concentrated in one point, so it will look like a beacon in the sky, casting shadows at night. It will be hard to miss, and we humans will be able to observe this glow even in the daytime, at least for a long year. When Betelgeuse finally fades away, Orion will be missing his left shoulder. Another star that has scientists concerned is Eta Carinae. Eta Carinae is an extremely luminous and massive star located in the constellation Carina, approximately 7,500 light-years away from Earth. It is one of the brightest stars known in the Milky Way. What makes Eta Carinae particularly interesting is its unusual size. In the 19th century, it experienced a massive eruption known as the Great Eruption of Eta Carinae, which made it one of the brightest stars in the sky for a while. However, since then, it has lost much of its luminosity and has become less prominent in the sky. It is a binary star system composed of a massive and hot star known as Eta Carinae A and a smaller hot star called Eta Carinae B. Eta Carinae A is believed to be an unstable star in an advanced stage of its evolution, and it is expected to undergo a supernova at some point in the future. The study of Eta Carinae has been crucial in understanding the evolution and behavior of massive stars, as well as investigating stellar formation processes and stellar explosions. It is the subject of observation and research by astronomers worldwide, using a variety of techniques and observatories to unravel these mysteries. Tell me, what do you think? Do you think our generation will be able to see this phenomenon in our skies? Use the comment box to interact with us. Remember to like and subscribe. This way you will be supporting the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one. Foreign.